Okay, so at this point, you should have a pretty good introduction to some of the most common and useful, helpful default features inside of Atom. And I'm going to suggest that you really take the time now to practice. So if you have been using Atom up to this point, then go back through the shortcuts, all the navigation and search features, the basic snippets and autocomplete, the folding in panes, and even the settings, and really just begin to explore it. Now, you don't need to know all of this yet or have all of this memorized, but you do need to be working towards letting working with Atom become second nature. Now, if you don't want to use Atom, you could do all the same stuff inside of Sublime Text, so take the time to figure out how to work with that. But either way, don't proceed until you've really become kind of competent and understand and have some access to the shortcuts that we've looked at in this video. So once you do that, then in the next video, we're going to take it to another level, and we're going to look at extending Atom using packages and themes. And this will add even more tools and features and configurations stylistically as well into Atom. So take that time to practice the basic Atom features, and then we'll get started going even deeper in the next video.